Hello everyone, so I'm back tonight going to work on the Pico-8 game a little bit more for the Pico-8 jam that I created. So it looks like other person has joined, so welcome aboard, welcome to the Pico-8 jam, and I look forward to playing everyone's game all the Pico-8 games that people submit to this game jam. So yeah, I left off yesterday. What do I do? I think I just do load and Lexip run. So a little simple game here. Let me turn down. Oh, it looks about fine. So yeah, I got my little guy moving around, collecting coins. I think I want to look at the level editor tonight and see what I can do with it. Getting pretty good switching to small mode, maximize, minimize with the Alt Enter. So, what do I want to do? I want to bring back up Pico-8, what is it, manual, tutorial? I just want that documentation that I had yesterday. Yeah, there we go. Manual. Wow, I look really off-center here. Oops. There we go. That looks even more off-center. Whoop, whoop. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, I'm going to go into the edit mode, go into level editor. Actually, I think I want to make some walls first. I was going to have my coin flicker too. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. So, I guess I'll do red walls, I guess. Bricks. Boy, I don't know if I'm going to do one down this. Oops, no. So one here, then one here. That doesn't look right. Do one here. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2. So there should be one here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But there's got to be a row of 1. Otherwise, these are going to look really big. Could do a row 3. 1, 2, 3. That might come out better. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Okay. So let's try this level editor. Is it called map editor? Yeah, so I got a couple hours to work on this tonight. I do have work tomorrow, and yeah, the jam ends tomorrow at midnight. That's the time that I set for it to end. So, anyone that wants to submit a game, get it in by tomorrow. 128 by 32 now, is that tiles or is that... That can't be pixels. That looks kind of awkward right there. Now, can I not scroll within this? Oh, there we go. Can I zoom out? How many maps? Can I have multiple maps? 1, 0. I don't understand this. It's kind of hard to navigate this. How do I delete? Shift. Oh, I can select multiple. That's cool. How do I overwrite? And fill. I don't see how you delete. Is that delete? I don't understand this. No, now I'm not drawing. What's going on? Why am I not drawing? I wonder if this is already... So how do I access the map? I can't draw anymore. What's going on? Oh, maybe I have to increase that. Wait, 6. It's still not drawing. Well, that drew. That sure drew right there. Oh, so that is an X. That might be a bug or something. I wasn't able to draw. Can I fill? Okay. Okay, I don't need to fill anymore. Wish I could do just like one line. Oh no, I'm so sloppy. Oh no. I want to start like down here somewhere. Should go down like that. Delete these here. Maybe go up here. Put a wall here. Here. This reminds me of like the first level of Kitty Adventure when I first created it. This can be the exit door. Maybe I should do this one up. Yeah, I'm not a great level designer. I'm probably the worst level designer out there. So this can be the exit. Maybe put some coins there or something. Okay, there's my map. Now, actually accessing the map is another question. I should have a title screen too. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I want to edit this. Red bricks are boring. Don't green, no. The nice thing is it should change everything at once, I think. It might be too bright. Okay. So how do I draw this map? Oh, wait. Cursor, ZX, CV, and M. Get her something out value. Function. Draw. Draw map. Function draw map. Map. Zero, zero. SXXY. Zero, zero. 2020. I don't see the map. Layer. Zero. What happened here? Why is this all filled up? 6. What? No. Oh, there's my sprite. How did that happen? Okay. Oh. No! I can fill that in. Oh, maybe that's... Maybe my call did that. Maybe it filled it in with blocks. I don't know. No. How do I... Oh, that's the sprite. Can only have one map? Don't understand this. Maybe I should do 2020. Nope. Am I even drawing here? $50, $50, $10, $4. Gotta have those parentheses. That's important. Like Ruby, you don't have to have parentheses if you don't want to. I don't think this is even drawing. I called it something wrong, I bet. No, draw a map. What happens if I don't have the right name? Yeah, it yells. Maybe 4 is probably the color of the grass. Nope. I bet it's filling over. Yeah. So I needed to have like a clear screen. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna do Control X. Yes. Oh, maybe that's why I wasn't able to see anything. Function clear screen. I bet the map shows that. So that just draws sprites, which is sort of helpful. It still doesn't handle the collision though. It's like, does that really help drawing the map without the collision? I wonder if I can set the camera up here. Camera, player, X, player, Y. Whoa, look at that. Plus, is it 64? Minus 64. It's not clearing out anything outside of the map. That's bizarre. CLS. I wish I could clear it with a certain color. Oh, it's unfortunate that it offsets this up here too. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna deal with this. Since it offsets the... Wonder if I can move the camera twice. So I have the... So here camera needs to be 0, 0. So I'm gonna like put draw GUI camera 0, 0. That's weird. So the coins are moving. That's weird. That's weird. The coins are the only things that are moving. Or maybe the coins are static. I'm confused now. Camera to reset. Camera. Player X minus 64. Player Y minus 64. But it's not offsetting the map. Draw. What if I put... Does it matter where I put this? Does it reset this every draw call? Okay, so now it's moving. Hey, this is actually exactly what I wanted. That's pretty wild. I don't understand why that worked. Oh, because it said 0. Isn't that what I did the first time? It didn't work. Maybe I just call camera. I just set a 0, 0. I don't know. Maybe I do want my bricks red. I can have grass here. Check out collisions. See if this has a map example. There's draw map. So there's got to be a way to get the map tiles. O and X. Z and X. M get X and Y. I wonder how many rows this is. Oh, there we go. 25 by 43. So it should make me like go all the way around. Oh no! $44. So those are sprites and not objects. That's what makes it kind of a pain. Where's my collision? Okay. Check. Wall collision. Function. Check. Wall collision. But I need to take an X and a Y parameter. Move X, move Y. And yeah, I need to put it here. X, Y, move X, move Y. X minus 1. And check wall. Collision. So player X, player Y, minus 1, 0. So maybe that returns false. Hoping that returns false by default. So if I change this to return true. Yay! I wonder what my starting position should be. Setup player. Say 200. 2200. Yeah, I'm just doing this trial and error right now. Could actually calculate. So the bad thing is now the coins can spawn in the middle of the walls. Unless I draw the coins before I draw the walls, and you just won't be able to see the coins in the walls. Or I could check and see if there's a wall before I spawn the coin. If, now what was that method called? Get map, mget, mget, x plus move x. Is that a position or a cell? Let's try position. Mget x plus x, or does it move x? Yeah, move x. Otherwise, I'll just have to divide by 8. Y plus move y. Then can move. It's false. Can move gets true. And return can move. Yeah, I'm moving. See if he stops. No! False. See if I divide this by 8. Maybe I should be doing floor 2. I don't know. Wait. So let's just do if m get 0 0 and then because there is a block at 0 0. Now if I do 1 1, that should, oh wait, true. Oh, maybe this is backwards. Not mget. So here's the real test. If I do 1-1, then I should be able to move. Oh no! So now I'm gonna do 9, 9. Oh, I still can't run. Oh, what? Yeah. Map value. Let me check the code here. That's what I did. Oh, F, the orange toggle button and sprite editor. F get val 1. Let's call it cell gets m get 1 1. Is solid gets f get val 1. Actually, I could just do can move. Is solid gets false. Return is solid. Not. Oh, what do I call that val? Cell. I think it should be not. Oh, and I also got to fix this. So there we go. Not. Whoa. Hey! Oh no. Should have walked through. Oh, yeah, I need to fix something else. So, if I set this at 0, 0. Oh no, it shouldn't have let me go through the wall. Wow. This is getting depressing now. If I could just... Cell solid. It's false. Cell solid gets is solid. Cell solid. 16. Oh no, a boolean. Why can't I concatenate a boolean? Cell solid gets this. No! Just lost my map and everything. Crap. Really? I lost my map. Wow. That's dangerous. Keeps your loads in the history. Wow. Sure, there's no buffers. Go back. Wow, it keeps that load in there. Why? Why does it keep the load in the history? Wow. Kind of feel like I should work on something else now. Maybe just put a little... I'm not doing a maze anymore. I'm done with that. Wow. Save often. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can't believe it lost everything. Wow, all my code is gone. Wow, it lost everything since I started working on this. Can't believe it lost everything. It's like, can we please take load out of my history? Just so I don't accidentally hit it again. Oh, man. Lost everything. This is only like an hour's worth of work, but still, it's kind of a pain to lose everything. It's like, no buffer, no saves, no automatic saves. You don't think you need to save, really, unless you lose power or something. But wow, I lost everything. And do my collision again. Function, check. Wall, collision. X and Y. Move X, move Y. End. If X plus move X, no, M get X, Y. See, it doesn't tell me if this is X and Y cell or X and Y position. Is solid gets false. Is solid gets true. And return is solid. So I've got to do my map again. Draw. Let's get rid of this. Clear screen. Function clear. Clear screen. CLS. Function draw. Map. Map 0 0 0 0 16 16. I guess I should make it some nice even number. 24 or something. $32. Yeah. Ah, no. Crap. $14, $15, $16. So these all up through here. Okay. Okay. I guess I can only have one map per game. I don't know. Clear screen, draw, map, camera, player X, -64, player Y, -64. Camera. That's interesting. Why isn't it drawing the rest of the map? 32. Let me fix this. So I guess the first cell is 0, I guess. Yeah. Crap. I wish they didn't have both of these on the same button. Well, I guess it didn't take long to recover most of my work. Made it a little bit cleaner anyway this time around. Save, Lex. It's like, can we please get load out of my history? I would really appreciate if we could get load out of my history. check wall collision. Is wall at player X, player Y, -1, 0. Is wall at mget xy Oh, is that the first one or the second one? What are these indexed? Oh, it's that one. So I should be checking 0. That's why it wasn't working. Still don't know if that's cell or map coordinates. Okay, looks like it's map coordinates. So now I know why it wasn't working, because should have been getting the attribute at 0 instead of 1, even though like all documentation says, oh, Lua, the indexes start at 1, but apparently this starts at 0, so whatever. Oh man. So I need to do plus move X. I might have to do a floor too. Divided by 8. Y plus move Y divided by 8. Hey, it worked. I need to change. Move that up a little bit. Because I can't read the text. 32. 40. Maybe I just need to do a different color. I don't know. Make it blue or something. Where are my colors? I guess these are the color indices. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's try 12. That's gonna clash with his pants. I don't know. Maybe it does need to be brighter. I don't know. I think white was okay. I can't decide. 1, 2, 3, 7. It's like I can't get too picky with this. Okay, now I can finish up the collisions at least. And not is wall at player X, player Y, 1, 0. I need then. And not is wall at player dot X, player dot Y, 0, -1. And not is wall at player dot X, player dot Y, 0, 1. No, it's off. So the pluses are off by 8. I guess that makes sense because you need the player width. Where is player? Setup player. Player.w gets 8. Player.h gets 8. I guess you can't have multiple maps. That's kind of stinks. I guess you could move around on the same map. Where's my ISWAM at? There it is. player Y plus player dot H. Plus player dot W. Hey. So I don't know how to do the coins. I think the coins will just be weird like that. There could be coins in the walls. It'd be nice if I could constrain the camera. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't need stupid flood fill. This doesn't look as good as my last level that I created. Maybe I should block that off. I need Prim's algorithm here to make a better map. That doesn't look like a very good map. Put the exit up here. You know, I want the exit on top of the grass. I could make the exit a whole thing. I don't know. It would be kind of nice to say, hey, we'll get the attribute of this cell. And if it's an exit cell, then go to the next level. Let's just see if this runs. Looks like I can still get coin. coins even if they're in the wall. Well, this isn't a bad little level here. I just need to move the starting position. So this is going to be 8 or 15 times 8. Times 8. Two times 8. Oh no, what's going on there? Some weirdness. Going up and over. Need to fix. I just need like set of velocity. That's what I should have done to begin with. Just set a velocity. Rose gets 15. Calls gets 31. Rose times 8. Calls times 8. No! Calls. Raise. Actually, I should just put... Too bad I can't draw the map over the player. Then he could look like he's walking behind. This is like a rare case right there where you can sneak in right there. It's not checking the other side. I don't know what position that is right there. Okay. Save. I'm gonna clamp the camera if I can. Move camera. Move camera. Camera X gets player X minus 64. Camera Y gets player Y minus 64. If camera X let's see here. Okay, first thing I need to do is just do camera X and camera Y. Camera X. Camera Y. That still works. Oh, I can't get that coin right there. Oh, no. If camera X is less than 0, then camera X gets 0. So I don't know if that black over there's natural. I think that's a natural black right there. I can't do anything about that border. If camera X is greater than 32 times A, then camera X gets 32 times 8. And if camera Y is less than 0, then camera Y gets 0. If camera Y is greater than 16 times 8, I think this should be minus 1. 31, 32. Rows gets 32. No, 16. Calls gets 32. Calls minus 1. Calls minus 1. Rows minus 1, which I don't have more than 16 rows anyway. But camera Y gets rows minus 1 times 8. Maybe I should add more rows. Say flex. Oh no! Look at that. Downward way doesn't work. Oh, maybe it's because of the 64 there. Minus 64. Oops. Let's do the Y first. 64. Minus 64. Plus 64. Plus 64. Still not working. So I'm already subtracting off the 64 up here. I think that's a local variable, so I won't be able to print it anyway. Could just leave it set. I kind of want to have this working the right way. Just in case I do want to expand this. I could go ahead and expand it out a little bit. Make it 20 or something. That's good. Now I can really test it. Map. Rows gets 32. Map. Calls gets 20. Map calls. Map calls. Map rows. Map rows. So I guess I've got to add on the width of the screen. Map calls -1. Map rows -1. This 18. Oh. Map calls map rows. Oh no. It's actually doing collision. What? I guess I should take one row off here. Oh no, I can't make it through. That's interesting. Looks like I should be able to make it through there. think I'm gonna do floor of this. So now they'll all just take a cell. So now they're all right there. That one looks a little bit off. Oh man. Random. Floor random. That gives me a random cell. Subtract off 2, multiply by 8. Minus 2. Then I gotta do a plus 1 there. Oh my goodness, this is getting hairy. So I think it should be minus 2 here, minus 2 here, then plus 1 here. Times 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go ahead and put parens around that. Okay, so now there could still be one in a wall, but it's going to be in the middle of the wall. Yeah, so like that one right there is in the middle of the wall. Oh, I just got it. You gotta kind of cut along inside the wall there. there a while? Rand X, Rand Y. I don't know if I want to get into all that. I think I just want to make an exit. I'm going to have my little exit crystal here. Yeah, 8x8 doesn't make things easy because you don't have that middle pixel. Could do it like this. That's really weird looking. It would be neat if I can have two. Can make it look like it's pulsating. That doesn't look right. Okay, I'm gonna copy, paste. No, I just wish I could flip the colors. I can't do that. That's 9 and 8. Make exit. I don't know if I want to do that. Maybe it will. I don't know. Make exit. Function make exit. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna call it crystal. Exit can lead to problems. Actually, I should call it a knit crystal. Just keep them all the same. I'll make this a knit player. Did I ever fix the down and up with the camera? I don't think I did. Where do I set up player? Okay, flare setup there. Crystal X gets $15.2. Knit crystal function draw crystal. Is that somewhere frame is a global thingy there? Crystal index 1 gets, what was it, 6 and 7? No, 8 and 9. Crystal index 2 gets 9. Crystal index. I'm just going to do crystal index. Crystal X. Crystal Y. Yay, OBS is back. I don't know what just happened there. OBS kind of died there for a second. I should have draw player. Draw coin. Draw crystal. We'll have one called draw player. Function draw player and plop that in there. Hey, there's my crystal. function check crystal collision. Check crystal collision. And I don't even think I need this anymore. Then we'll call it do winner. Well, I should be doing like width and height here. I'm just basically copying what I put up there for the coin. This isn't perfect collision detection, but it's enough for this simple little game. What's wrong? Check crystal collision. Oh. Do winner. Oh, doesn't change that to do winner. I don't need to do that. That's weird. Why is it that other? How many crystals did it spawn? Or is that a coin? If not is winner. And if not is winner, then end. Wow, I can't read any of that. Should put a rectangle around that. Like this first color. No, if I can just remember. Does it feel wrecked? Wrecked fill. So 32, 32, 32, 40. $264 and color 13 maybe. I should do a -8. So, yeah, OBS has really been struggling. Turn the sound down just a tad. So yeah, I got all the coins, but it didn't end. Oh no! What? Wow. That looks horrible. 32, 32. Why did that not work? Oh, maybe it's going to the position and not width and height. Rect fill. Oh yeah, it's going by coordinates, not width and height. That's fine. Let's just be 32 plus 168 plus 4. 32 plus 16 plus 4. Yay. But yeah, the width is kind of off there. Isn't each character 8? I don't know how big it is. Maybe each character is only 8 or something. Yeah, it looks like each character is a little bit less than 8. I don't know how big they are. It does look monospaced. 1, 2, 3. I guess each character is 4. So that would be 21 times 8. 21 times 4. 84. It's like I can never get that cool. Okay, that looks pretty good. Still a little bit off, but that's fine. Wow, it's already been 2 hours. I feel like I really haven't done anything. I mean, I got a little bit of scrolling working, but that's about it. Got the different backgrounds and walls. A little bit of wall collision detection, but which isn't great. But draw crystal. So I wonder if I can grab the frame number. Iframe. I'm going to use the same thing they use for draw player. Yeah, I think this is all I need right here. Draw coin. That's 4, this is 5. Hey, they're blinking! I like that. That actually looks pretty good right there. I'm pleased with that. I think I'm going to make this one go a little bit slower. So I'm going to do about 10. Maybe do 3 frames of animation. Maybe 4. So I'm going to copy this. So the blue is going to be the moving part. Okay, so I got 4 frames of animation. A little bit more than my other one. Is there a switch in Lua? Okay. Okay, I'll just do mod 4. Crystal index gets mod 4. Crystal index gets crystal index plus that, the frame. Hey, that looks pretty good. Wish my coins would quit spawning in the walls. I never did fix the scrolling. So it should stop right there. Map rows. Oh, I didn't multiply by 8. Wait. If camera Y is greater than 20, then and camera Y gets 20. Map rows times 8. So map rows is 20 times 8 minus 64. That's 96. That's still way too high. Maybe that is it. Map rows times 8 minus 64. Map rows times 8 minus 64. Plus 1, maybe an extra row for the player. I don't know. I cannot figure this one out. Maybe I should be adding 64. I don't know why that works, but that seems to be X is greater than 200, then this is really hacky right here. My brain's kind of spent on figuring out how to get that to work. Then once it stops, I can just figure out how many more over it needs to go. Oh, it's perfect! Wow. Couldn't have done it any better myself. I actually spent more time on this than I thought I would, but yeah, it's been a fun little game to create. Different programming environment. Always fun to figure out something new. Yeah. Where's my is a wall? Is wall at? Lua while. Keep looping. No. Space. Okay. Gets false. While not space. Okay. Empty space. While not empty space. Do. End. Is empty space gets is wall at rand y rand x, I think. Oh wait, where's my is wall at? It takes X and Y. That's fine. Where's my make coin? So I'm put my times 8 back in. So rand x, rand y, 0, 0. I think this should be not. Okay, I'm gonna try this. So. Okay, so that just re-rolls the coin if there's already coin. Now I'm not checking for double coins. I think checking for double coins would be overkill. Okay, I think this is good. Got flashing coins that aren't spawning in the walls. I got an exit. The collisions kind of still need some work. So you can't like sort of walk through the wall like that. If you're really good. So yeah, I may come back to this tomorrow and add some enemies and stuff. Obstacles. Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and create. I definitely don't want to lose this now. I'll be very upset. Just go ahead and send it to compressed folder. Okay, so I got that in a zip file. I think do I just want to call this Pico-8? I don't know. I think I'd rather just call it Pico-8. I got a new version of Source Tree, so I'll learn how to use this new version. I thought I installed version 1.9. Okay, I don't feel like dealing with it right now. I think I downloaded it. Maybe I didn't install. I thought I installed that. Download, install. What? Source tree. Okay. I'm fine with it installing itself. Because if I did it... That's what I thought. I guess I just need to update the links. Well, this says 1.9. What? What? I'm running 1.9. This doesn't make any sense. 1.9. So now I gotta like install and everything, which I really don't want to have to do right now. Oh, it says it's not 1.9 isn't being updated anymore, not that 1.9 is the latest version. That makes sense. So I'm gonna log into my Bitbucket. I think I'm just gonna call this Pico-8. I'm gonna log out of this. Save Lexip. Shut down. Okay, you can start installing now. Oh, then close this. Is that installing? Oh, new Bitbucket. Yay. It's like I don't have any option. I have to try it out. Okay, I just need a new repository. For a new repository. I'm just going to call it Pico-8. So here's my URL. Copy. Now why isn't... Is my thing not installing? Did it just crap out because it didn't know what to do? It didn't know how to shut down the other version. Okay. It's like, do I have to uninstall my old source tree? Seems like that's kind of like an optional. Hey, do you want to... What? Oh, wow. Is this the new one? Yeah, 2.0. Okay, this is what I need. Oh, this is a pain. Now I gotta learn this new source tree. Can I make it shortcut somewhere? Pin to taskbar, okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. So I want to clone from Pico-8 to... Now I want to go to my projects. I know it's bad calling this Pico-8, but I don't think I'm going to do any... Like, if I'll ever do any more Pico-8 programs, I'll probably just check them into the same thing. I don't want to have to remember. Let's just call it source. Pico-8. Now, do I want to check in the whole? I don't think I want to check in the actual executable. I just want to check in the carts. So I could do a ignore file. I bet I lost all my ignore stuff with this new version, which is unfortunate. I wish it would just make push changes default. So I want to copy. I'm going to plop this in here. So now I need an ignore file. Repository settings. There's config file. No. No. hg.ignore. Just use my freaking Notepad++. Okay. So I want to ignore... Oh man, I want to ignore like everything. I want to ignore backup. BBS. I'm going to keep carts. C data maybe. I don't know about C score. I want to keep config text. I don't want log text. And SDL controllers.text. What is BBS? I want to keep carts. But I don't need cart demos. C data. C store. Save. I wonder if it's going to automatically... Hey, it automatically picked up the ignore file. Okay, so I want to... this is good. I want to run my game. Load, Lexip, run. Get off 0. There's me cutting through. Oops. Kinda wish I could get corn. Yeah, that's a good screenshot. Okay, save lexip dot a.png. That should have created a new PNG. Carts. There's my PNG. Yay! Check it out. It's so cute. Can zoom in. Look at that. Woo! Is that really a PNG? It looks so blurry to be a PNG. I guess that's my auto scaler. I don't know. I want to do an export too. Just so I have it exported. Export lexip.html. Oh, I didn't want to put it in here. Delete those. Can I just do HTML? No. I don't want them plop down in there. Okay. Well, I don't know if I still have 2 people still watching or not, but yeah, appreciate everyone watching. I don't know why this is so blurry. Whoa, he's not stopping. It's like if you do over and up, keep running. Why is he so blurry? I don't get this. That is pretty cool that you can have your image file as your game. Okay. I like this a lot better though. I don't like that fuzzy filter they put on there. So I'm going to check all these. So that's my Lexip P8. There's all my code. The image, graphics. PNG. I think this is just old. It's like the first version or something. There's JavaScript. There's my config. Okay. Initial check-in for my Pico-8 game Lexip. Commit. Okay, it's checked in. Like double check. Source. And there's the source. Yay! In my game. Yay! I kind of like how it forces everything to lowercase. You don't have like mixed case and everything. I think that makes things easier. Okay. So that was almost 3 hours, 2 hours and 52 minutes. So yeah, the game jam ends, I guess, now later today, end of May 2017. So yeah, look forward to seeing any Pico-8 games that people may create for the jam. I think that'd be really cool. Yeah, check out it. It's on itch.io. For some reason I can't find it on the main compo page. Maybe because I created it. Well, I don't know. I think I might have just messed it up. Or maybe the end time isn't close enough. Maybe it only gets displayed when it gets closer to the submission time. Me and Ted. Oh, here it is. Pico-8 Jam. It finally got updated. So maybe it just takes a day or two for it to pop in there. So yeah, right up till the end of June. Or maybe somebody has to go in here and approve it before it gets displayed, because it wasn't showing up on this list. I still don't see it. But maybe it's because I'm the host. Oh, there it is. Pico-8 Jam. 2 joined. Yay. Closes in 21 hours. Yeah, I didn't expect very many people to join this jam just because you do have to pay for the tool to use it. And I only gave people 2 days or 3 days to work on it, and it started from the time that I actually created the jam. So I think it's a cool little jam, something a little bit different. I know some people don't like jams that put constraints on the tools that people use, but I don't know. It's kind of neat just having one jam that's going to be all Pico-8 games. Oh, I'm not showing my screen here. But yeah, anyway, yeah, check it out. There should have this done by tomorrow night. So appreciate everyone watching.